Scientific Study of RIG VEDA, Class 59. Today we are going through the Mandras 17 to 21 of RIG VEDA-Mandal-1, Sooktha-25. Here the Devata is Varuna, that is the orbit in which the electrons are moving around the atom, or the orbit along with the planets are moving around the sun. And all the seven worlds, in the seven worlds there are 49 months, they also are moving in their orbits. So everything in this universe is linked with the orbit, which is combining all the activities in this universe. Our body itself is formed due to the combination of orbits of atoms. These atoms are joined together by the orbits. So that orbit is the Varuna. So now let us go through we have already explained all this. Now let us go through the 17th mantra and see what it says.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1, Sooktha-25, Samnu Vojavakai Punaryato me Matva Bhrudam Hodeva Chadase Priyam.
It says we are giving office to these atoms or these to the Varuna orbit, and it says that this is more precious than the Agni. If we give by any method, if we give energy to these orbits, the electrons will escape from it and energy will come out from this. And these energies are propagating in the form of electromagnetic waves. So these electromagnetic waves are more precious than the ordinary Agni or energy. This electromagnetic wave is the same energy, but compared with our natural Agni or anything like that, it is more precious. So it says, by giving harvest to this is more precious than this harvest is more precious than this Agni. How we are producing electromagnetic waves? By using certain capacitor or coil or anything like that. LC circuit, etc. we can say in electronics. When electron pass through this in between capacitor and coil, electromagnetic waves are signals are producing. So we are harvest to this, and by which we are giving electromagnetic waves in practical use in our modern science. This is more precious than ordinary energy or Agni. So it says, based on this, we can communicate each other. Communicator with these orbits, Varuna, we can communicate each other means using this electromagnetic waves we can send messages. All our communication systems are depending on this orbital energy, that Varuna energy, which we are producing by giving suitable harvest to the system. Now let us go through the 18th mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1, Sooktha-25, Darsham Nu Vishwadarshadam Darsham Vyadhamadichyami Edajushadame Giraha.
It says, by producing such electromagnetic waves, we saw the Varuna on our earth. That is, we produce electromagnetic waves. And we are seeing this Varuna on earth, which is traveling in this Ratha. Ratha means vehicle. That means electromagnetic waves are also propagating very fast in their own vehicle. That is, these waves are spreading very fast. And we saw these Varuna. Varuna means these are orbital energy. Varuna means orbit. The orbit is itself is a bundle of energy. So we saw the Varuna on earth traveling with a very high speed in their own vehicle, Ratha. And it accepts our request. What is our request? We want to send messages to long distances. They will do such things by using these electromagnetic systems. We are controlling other activities. We are controlling the satellite. We are controlling the rocket. By using these things, we are controlling our TV or anything like that. So they accept our request. This Varuna. Now let us go through the 19th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 25-19 ഇമം മേ വരുണ ശ്രുധീം ഹവമദ്യ ച മൃളയ ത്വാം അവസുരാ ചകേ.
It says we are calling this Varuna with loud voices. That means they are using the word voices in this sutta. That means communication system with loud voices. We are calling this Varuna. That this form of energy, the energy coming out from this orbit, they will travel in the universe in the form of electromagnetic waves. So we are calling, come and help us in all our activities. That is what it says. Now let us go through the 20th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 25-20 ത്വം വിശ്വസ്യ മേധിര ദിവശ്ച ഗംശ്ച രാജസി സയാമിനി പ്രതിശ്രുതി.
It tells this is the lord of this Varuna, this magnetic propagation of this magnetic wave from these orbits. Orbit is a bundle of energy, quantum mechanics, quantum of energy. This orbit is principal quantum number. Energy is coming out in the form of waves, and it is traveling where between this sky and the earth. So it is the lord of the sky and the earth. It tells this Varuna to reply to our questions. If we are asking anything, reply us. What is the reply we are getting? If the enemy plane is traveling there, we are sending this electromagnetic waves and asking to see whether there is any plane there. So it will go there and come back and tells us, yes, there is a plane there. The enemy plane is there, and fire it. So it tells to reply us. We are asking questions by sending this Varuna energy, and it will reply us. Now let us go to the 21st mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 25-21 ഉദുത്തമം മുമുക്തീനോ വിപാശം മധ്യമം ശ്രുത അവാധമാനി ജീവസേ.
It says Varuna is binding us from all directions using several threads. From above there are a number of planets. They are attracting us. That is a form of energy. Why it is attracting us? Because Earth is moving around the sun. There is an attraction between Earth and the sun. Why it was there in the it is there in the orbit. If this Earth was not in the orbit, there may be no attraction between Earth and sun. But it is there in the orbit of sun. That is why there is attraction. So sun is attracting all the things on Earth. It is attracting us also. That is like a threat. Now Earth is also pulling us from behind. That is why we cannot escape from all this Earth easily. We use sufficient energy, then only we can escape. If we are climbing, there is very great work is done. That is, we are becoming tired if we climb, because the Earth is attracting us. So a thread is tilting to the Earth in the downward direction. The force is in the downward direction. Likewise, all the planets and stars in different direction around us are attracting us. So we are fixed in this position due to the attraction of all these. When there is some changes in its direction force, these planets are moving. So the resultant force is also changing. That is why we are also moving in different directions. These are acting through our nervous system. And due to this influence, we are moving, doing karma on Earth. So to make free from this, these bonds are to be removed. So it tells Varuna to cut the upper thread, lower thread, and all the sides and make us free. How it is possible? We should escape from this solar system by using any rocket or anything like that. Escape from the solar system. Then there will be no threat to bound us. That is what it says. So we are influenced by a number of forces acting on us from different directions, because a number of planets are moving in certain orbits. Since all these are in the orbit, all the things are attached by this orbit. There is a force of attraction is developing between the planets in that orbit, in that system. Sun is attracting, Earth is attracting, other planets are attracting, the other stars are attracting, planets are attracting. All these are influence acting on us from the different directions. To escape from this, if we want to become free, these have to be removed. So there are a number of forces acting on us, and in all this, these orbits are taking an important part. That is Varuna.